everyone, and welcome to the 19th episode from Road to $5,000, where we have Omar Abdul Jawad, the 16-year-old teen striving for his inevitable success, inshallah, explaining how trading is gonna work with us. So, wait, hold on, what skin disappear? Alright, so I have traded GBP USD and Euro USD yesterday, and I have gotten some great results I'd like to show you guys. But for some reason, yeah, okay, boom. So, now I don't know why everything else is not showing. Okay, yeah, we're good. So the first day that took yesterday, and I'm gonna tell you guys something about this, right? So yesterday, or not yesterday, 29th of July, based on what the date is that you guys are watching this video in, but whatever. 29th of July, I had a flight, okay, from Dubai to Jordan. So I executed the trade in Dubai, where the point was right here, and I closed it in Jordan. So what happened was, as you guys can tell, we have an area of demand, an area of support, which has been broken. Once I've seen that the market has been broken, I had to make sure it's not just a fake out, so I waited for my three confirmations, which are 1, an engulfing candlestick, 2, area of interest, and 3, moving average confirmation. And based on what I can see, we got that point. We got this beautiful engulfing candlestick, which correlated with giving us an area of interest, which is a resistance zone, and also gave us a moving average, which all in all can tell us, alright, so the market will continue downwards. So I decided, alright, let's not miss the chance, and I went for the trade. The trade did some obstacles up and down, but all in all, alhamdulillah, we went and crushed take profit. You can see we just completely crushed it. And as you guys know, you should mark your take profit on the next area of interest. I marked it right over here, and that was Euro USD. Now GBP USD was quite similar, and quite similar circumstances where I executed the trade before while I was in the airport to Dubai, and once I arrived to Jordan, I closed in profit, alhamdulillah. This one, however, I was so close to hitting TP, but I was like, I got too hesitant, and I closed before I went back up, but I should have stayed in, alhamdulillah. Same exact process. It broke a support zone and, in fact, a demand zone. A major demand zone. It broke it, so which tells us that yes, there's so much selling pressure coming. So when you have an area of interest such as support or demand zones, these areas are in areas of extremely high buying pressure. So when you break that, when you break those areas, you have to confirm that one, it's not a fake out, because if it is, you're gonna get slapped. You do that by the confirmations you have, and I have 3 confirmations that I stick to. Now, why is it very important to know? Because when you break such a good and major area market, the market will be very, very high in selling pressure. So you cannot waste a chance, and of course you must go short. Now, I marked something for the golden currency. Still waiting for the confirmation. I don't want to go for it just yet, but I want to wait for the confirmations. First things first, we mark this area as support, as you guys can tell. The green little rectangle, not really little, but whatever, you get the point. The green rectangle, we marked it as a support level, and indeed it is, and it has been broken, as you can tell. Now, if you go to the market's history with a breaking support level, oh, sorry guys, mind this please. Alright, so if you go to the market's history with the broken support levels, this is a fake out. It broke, it went all the way to that point. So you mark your take profit once we get the 3 confirmations and are ready to execute. We mark the take profit right here to the next area of interest, because the market, once it broke it, at some point it came to that point. Right? And even again, market has a great history with that area. So wait for the 3 confirmations. I need to see an engulfing candlestick appear after of this, which marks as an area of resistance. And I want to see the moving average going down, so which is going to make me be like, alright, for sure, let's go for the trade. Especially the fact that this area is quite tricky, because many times the market has done the same thing but went back up. So you can't risk it. You gotta have the confirmations. That is, alhamdulillah, the benefit of having a confirmation. You always must have confirmations to make sure that the trend is not a fake out. It indeed is a trend that you think it would go. Alright, I hope you guys understood, and as always, see you guys at the top. Bye bye.